everyone, welcome back to Loopsy Lola. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the single crochet. We're going to build off the foundation chain that I showed in last week's video, and I'll link it down below in case you missed it. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed so you're getting all my content, and like the video, share it with all your friends, and they can start crocheting along with you. All right, let's get started. So, I have made a foundation chain here using a J hook because I always go up one more size than what I'm actually going to use on my project. That makes it so my chain isn't so tight and I have plenty of room to work into the stitches. I've found my work comes out better this way, and it's common to use this way to start your foundation chain is going up a size hook. So since I'm using an I hook for my project, I went up to a J hook to do my foundation chain. I chained 21, and the reason I chained 21 is because I wanted the length to be 20 chains, but when you come to the end of the row, you always add a chain to continue to build up, depending on what stitch you're doing. Like single crochet, you add one chain usually. Double crochet, you add 3 chains. But I can show you that another time. But just for this video, I chained 21, and I'm going to insert my hook and get ready. And I'm going to skip this first chain from the hook, right? This one, we're not going to go into it. That's our chain 1 that I told you. That's why that's the 21st one. We're skipping it. So we're going to work into this stitch to do the single crochet. Okay, so you're going to turn, skip over that one, and insert the top of your hook into the top of that chain. Pull it up a loop. So you see how it's inserted? You're in that chain, right? And then for single crochet, you're going to wrap the yarn around it one time, pull through one loop, wrap it around, pull through 2. There's your first single crochet. Don't worry if you didn't get it. I didn't either the first couple times, so we're going to do this a lot. So now we're going to go right into this chain. Insert your hook. Got 2. Wrap your new yarn around. Pull through 1 loop. Wrap your yarn around, pull through 2. Hold on, let me adjust my focus here. It's kind of screwing up on me, eh? So, now you've got 2 single crochets. For the next, we just go right back into that next chain. You got 2. Wrap your yarn around, pull through 1 loop, wrap around, pull through 2 loops, 3 single crochets. Go back into the next, pull up a loop, wrap around, pull through both. Okay. See the next one we're working into? Right next door. Insert in. Your yarn wraps around. Pull through 1 loop. Wrap your yarn around. Pull through both loops. Insert hook. Pull up a loop through 1. Pull up another loop, go through 2. Insert into the chain, wrap around and pull through 1, wrap around, pull through 2. Insert hook, wrap around, pull through 1. Wrap around, pull through 2. Insert hook, wrap around, pull through 1, wrap around, pull through 2. So I'm just going to pull this out a little bit so I don't lose my work as I'm talking. Let's go back and I'll show you what they look like and how to count them. As you can see, I haven't done the whole row, quite a bit though. So what you're looking at here, this is that one chain that we skipped because that helps build up on the row. This right here is your first single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then yeah, the next one would have been 10, so I am halfway done with my row. And then when you add your next row, you're going to be working into these top loops too. So you can count your stitches like that as well. But I like looking at my work that way. So I'll just finish this row, but I'll go just a smidge faster. As you get back to this part where you're coming back to where the chain is ending, it gets a little harder to hold your work. That's why I was having some difficulty right there. Oh, look, we're in the last chain. I'll show you what this looks like because sometimes it can be a little confusing the first time you come up on it, but there's your last chain. You just insert your hook just like normal and through. And there you have your first row. Row 1. Did your foundation chain and then you moved on to row 1 of 20 single crochets. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video and now you know how to do the single crochet. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Also make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and share it with your friends so they can start learning how to crochet too. I'll see you next time on Loopsy Lola.